Hello everyone, and welcome back again, making the most of that thing in the sky. Another lovely day. So I'm going to do a bit of a potato reveal today. I'm going to do 2 buckets, and I'm pretty sure they're both Performer. I'm going to take this one. These were grown in fabric pots up on top of this compost bay here. Zoom out a bit there. On top of the compost bay. And then we've got another one from over there, but it's currently in the polytunnel. So it's not the single seed potato ones we're going for, it's this one. This is Performer. Brought this in here about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to do that one as well. Right then guys, so we'll go with this one first. 20 litre fabric pot. I'm pretty sure they are Performer. I'm pretty sure that label's wrong. One seed potato planted in each of these again. Quite dry. A few small ones. That's about it from that pot. Bound to have missed a few small ones, as you do. That's the casing left from the seed. So a few there. That one's gone a bit green from the sun. It could be used as a seed potato. There's a couple of nice ones there. They do look like they've got a bit of scab, but they're perfectly fine for eating. And all this compost will get reused again. Just going to dump out from all the potatoes onto here for now. Again, a bit of scab on these. Yeah, quite a bit. That's the seed potato. Yeah, not bad from a single seed potato in each pot. You know, I'm not expecting massive amount of a return from each pot, but I just thought I'd have a go at only planting one seed into each container, see if it made a difference. It's a bit less of a yield, but not much difference really. I might go and get another bucket. So we'll do one more. This is Premier again. and again 20 litre fabric pot. Looks like these have got scab again. These ones don't look as bad. Well, I don't know either. Right, well, that's not too bad from 3 tubs, 2 of which were 20 litre containers and 1 30 litre, but I'd have only used 3 seed potatoes, so it's quite a return. Happy with that. I do also want to get a couple of carrots, and there's a few in here that I think are good for picking. So the first ones we've had out of here. And I'm pretty sure these were with the seed tape. That'll do us for today. I'm pretty sure these were off that carrot tape. I'm sure that's what I ended up using in these in the end. I'll go back and check the videos, but I'm pretty sure it was. Quite happy with them. That'll do us for tonight. And I'm also going to take a head of broccoli. Right then guys, so not a mega harvest, but taking one of the onions from polytunnel, a couple of carrots, a little head of broccoli, and some nice potatoes. Bit of scab on them, but they'll be fine for us. Right then guys, that's it for me today. Hopefully we get plenty more sunshine and a couple more weeks of this and we'll be alright, I think. But nice little harvest today, and catch you on the next one. Bye for now.